guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name's Kaylan. For today's video, we're gonna channel all the fall vibes. We're getting in the fall spirit, and basically it's just gonna be like an ultimate fall vlog. We're just gonna do a lot of fun activities. I need to decorate my apartment today because it's the middle of September and I haven't even decorated yet, so we're gonna decorate. But instead of doing like a full decorate with me video, I thought that we could just kind of like make a whole day out of it. I'm gonna go to Starbucks, get a fall Starbucks drink, we're gonna decorate, and then we're gonna end off the day by cooking some fall cookies. We're gonna go to Target, get the little sugar cookies that we all love, bake some fall cookies, probably watch like a spooky movie, maybe like Halloween Town. I literally haven't watched that in years, but it sounds so good. So yeah, so that's the plan. So like I said, first things first, let's go to Starbucks, get a fall Starbucks drink. I think I want to try the new like apple crisp macchiato, or I don't know, I love my chai latte though with pumpkin cream cold foam. So let's go see what they have. Awesome, thank you. You too. All right, moment of truth, let's try it. It's really hot in here, my air's on, so I'm sure it's loud, so I'm gonna make this quick. But we have the I got a tall ice apple crisp macchiato. So this is what it looks like. And then I also got the tall ice chai latte with pumpkin topping, vanilla sweet cream cold foam, 2 pumps of chai, and 2 pumps of pumpkin sauce. One of my favorite fall orders is the iced chai latte with pumpkin cream cold foam. It is so good, you guys, it's amazing. But for some reason on the Starbucks app, I couldn't figure out how to order pumpkin cream cold foam. You could only order vanilla or like regular, so I ended up just doing pumpkin sauce in it. I don't know what pumpkin sauce is, but yeah, we're gonna try that. But first, the star of the show, the tall ice apple crisp macchiato. It's a little bit strong, but it's pretty good. It kind of tastes like a caramel, like iced coffee that doesn't have a lot of cream in it. But I heard it smells like garbage, so. Oh, I could definitely see that actually. Yep, smells like old banana peels in your trash, like when bananas are in there too long. Oh, I could definitely see that actually. But it's good though, but it kind of smells bad. It doesn't really taste how it smells, which is good. All right, time for this one. This is the chai latte with pumpkin sauce. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, that is really good. I actually think I might like the pumpkin sauce more than I like the cold foam. Let me know if you guys have tried the new fall Starbucks drink, what you guys thought of it, if you guys liked it, if you guys didn't like it, if you thought it smelled funny. Now that we have our coffee, I'm really glad I actually like this one. We're gonna go back, I'm gonna show you guys everything that I have for fall so far. It's just everything basically from last year. I've not even touched this stuff since last year, so I kind of forget what I have. So we're gonna open the fall bins. I haven't even looked at it this year, and see what we have and start decorating. All right, here's what we have. 2 big bins, and then I also have this over here. This just kind of has like some pillows, blankets, whatever, like some bigger stuff in there. I forgot that I had all of this, you guys. There's some actually really cute things in here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, kind of take everything out. This is the current situation. I didn't even clean yet. I just figured I'd kind of like clean as I go. Like as I work on a section, I'll kind of clean it. I also have all my fall like candles and soaps over here from last year. I don't even know where I'm gonna put this stuff. I've never decorated this apartment before. This is my first time decorating it. We just moved in this April, so I've never decorated this for fall. I don't really know. I should probably plan that a little bit more before filming this, but we're just gonna kind of wing it. I think I'm gonna start out with the TV stand first though, because I think I'm gonna do it how I did last year. It turned out really good. I'm literally out of breath from carrying all that upstairs. We had the coffee. We're good, we're caffeinated. Let's start decorating.
Charming, don't smile. In fact, you won't show up
Our apartment is a disaster right now. We've made a little bit of progress, but I'm one of those people, like, I need to put something down like in 4 different places before I decide that that's where it goes. I'll show you guys, I mean, you guys can already kind of see what it looks like. I'll show you guys the progress that I've made, what I do like, what I don't like, what I'm kind of thinking. This I love. This is our TV stand. I did this last year. I think I had more on here though, but I love these like sweater pumpkins in here. I think they add like a really like nice like black and white kind of cozy touch. So love that. I like the thankful there. I may substitute that candle out because it's not a fall candle for something. I don't know if I need a pop of orange over here or if I like it kind of like the green, white and black. I'm not 100% sure. I'm so torn. I never like the orange in here until like after everything's done. It just takes a second to get adjusted to. Decorating a place for the first time is so hard to do. I feel like, I don't know. I don't even know where to put anything, and I have actually more places to put things in this apartment. This is where I'm at. I'm gonna keep decorating. I'll update you guys once I make some more progress and it's not a complete disaster in here. I'm taking a break from our living room and I'm moving to our entryway. For reference, like this is upstairs. We have like a 3-level apartment. This is our entryway. It looks so yellow on camera just because there's not a window down here, but I have vision and I think it's gonna look really good down here. Oh my gosh. This lighting is probably the worst lighting I've ever seen. This is what our entryway looks like currently. It's actually pretty cute. I wish the walls were white, but we have stay a while. We have a wreath, which I'm going to substitute for this fall wreath. And then over here we have a vase with some pampas grass. And then we have this bowl and this candle. So I think I'm going to put pumpkins in this bowl, switch this out for a orange candle, and then add these pumpkin sticks in here maybe, huh? I don't know if that's going to look cute or dumb. I kind of feel like it might look dumb, but we're going to see. Because look how cute these are. They're so fun. This is not how I envisioned it in my mind. Oh god dang it. I can't tell. It's definitely not the most aesthetic thing that I've ever seen in the world, but it's maybe kind of cute. Let me switch out these. Let me do this and then we'll see if we like this. Alright, how do we feel about it? I like that candle there. I like the pumpkins in here. I'm not quite sure about this. It's kind of weird, but what do we think? I'm gonna leave it here for now because I got these specifically for this vase and I have nowhere else to put them. But let me know in the comments down below, keep or get rid of these pumpkins. Now that that's done, it is time to go tackle the mess that is upstairs.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountain-sunk hills, sky-color schemes. Makes you forget about all types of things. You remind me of the Arizona thunder. Satisfy the times and make you wonder about the bigger picture in your life. The simple times in the Arizona thunder. The Arizona thunder tonight.
Hey guys, it is the next day. Maya, she's going crazy over these cookies. I finished decorating pretty late last night. I went to the grocery store with my parents. I had a tax appointment. I just had some stuff to do, so I didn't end up finishing until like 11 o'clock, and honestly it looks pretty much the same as when I showed you guys last, but I will kind of show you guys around in just a second. But I decided to split this up into 2 days, so it's like 6 o'clock right now. I just went to Target. As you guys saw, I got some cookies. They did not have like the sugar cookies. I figured it might be a little too early in the season, so they didn't have like the really good sugar cookies, so I got these. I love these. I know they're like controversial. A lot of people don't like them, a lot of people love them. I really like these, but if you don't like them, I went into Target. I didn't film much in there because I was shopping. I needed stuff for dinner, and I like got a jar of salsa, and one from the back like slid out and it broke on the floor and shattered everywhere. Literally everywhere. It was all over my feet, all over my pants, and the employee, she peeks around the aisle and she's like, and she was so annoyed already. And I was like, okay, well, I think that's my cue to go. So I just left. I didn't spend too much time in there. I wasn't gonna get my camera back out and just start vlogging. These are way too many for Devin and I. We normally only eat one at a time. And honestly, I don't even know if Devin likes these, but they only had an 18 count. Oh my God, you are so cute. But they only had an 18 count, so I got these. I figured they'd be good for like Instagram pictures or a thumbnail picture. So I'm gonna show you guys our apartment, and I'm gonna sit down and watch a movie because, like I said, it's actually like 7 o'clock right now. The sun's setting. I'm just like in the mood to kind of cozy up and watch a movie. I've been working all day, so now we get to relax and kind of enjoy the decor. I haven't even lit a fall candle, you guys. I didn't even light a fall candle yet because I wanted to like enjoy this moment all together. Honestly, no one probably cares, but it's exciting to me. We're gonna light Harvest Hayride right here, which I'll show you guys in a second. Oh my goodness, yes, this smells so good. Oh, I love it. So I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of the apartment. I don't know how much I actually included in this video, so I'm gonna show you guys everything that I ended up decorating. I think it looks good. I'll let you guys know what I like and what I don't like, and then whatever I don't like give me your opinions because I need help kind of, and I'll show you guys. We'll start in the entryway with the horrible lighting. I ended up hanging this wreath here. I do want to get a smaller one because that one's actually going to go on our front door, but we have that wreath there, and then we have our little entryway table. This is pretty much the same since last time you guys saw it. We have the bowl with the pumpkins. I ended up adding another book, which I really like the kind of added height. And then we have this here. It's kind of messed up right now. This is what I still don't know. I have a feeling I know what you guys are gonna say, but do we like the pumpkins in there? Yes or no? Comment down below. Other than that, I really love this area. I just wish the walls were white, but yeah, let me know about those. Let's go upstairs. So first we have our TV stand. This is as soon as you come up from the front door. This is what it looks like. Definitely super, super simple. I do feel like I need a pop of orange, but at the same time, I don't love the orange against this color wall. So I don't know, you guys will see. I only have a few pops of orange, and I kind of feel like I either need to do no orange or add more. So I don't know, I feel like I kind of need some orange over here. But let me know on that. So for the couch, I did add that pop of orange in. What I did actually is I layered a kind of cozy knit cream blanket over the orange. That way the orange kind of peeked through. But that way this whole corner wasn't just like a completely orange blanket. I felt like that was a little bit too much, so I added a blanket over it. I really like the layered look. I feel like it's really cozy, so I think I like that. I do have a lumbar pillow coming that's white, and then it says thankful in black. Also our couch pillows, I'm just realizing on camera I need rearranged. They are definitely crooked. And then this is all the same. We have the coffee table. For the coffee table, I didn't really touch it too much after I first decorated it. We just had this pumpkin spice candle. Moving over to this corner here, I'm very unsure about this corner. I feel like it's a little cluttered, but I love this and I love that. I just don't know if I really like it together. So we have the candle, the Harvest Hayride. For the blanket ladder, I saw this on Pinterest last year. I thought it was really cute. I think I like it. I just added little pumpkins on there. They're kind of more of sweater pumpkins, which I think makes them a little bit cozier. So I really like these. I think they're really cute. Moving into the kitchen area, I added a little wicker pumpkin up there. And that's the only fall thing I have up there actually. And then we have the kitchen area. I actually had those same sweater pumpkins, the same ones that were on the blanket ladder. And I just kind of lined them up there. I feel like that looks good. I don't know if I have too many, but I kind of like it up there. It adds just that pop of fall. Once again though, nothing's really orange. We of course have our pumpkin Bath & Body Works candle there. So this is probably one of my favorite corners in the kitchen. I always have this Magnolia table book here, but I love this, and I actually made the pumpkin pie recipe last year, and it's actually so good. This is obviously a real recipe on here. And then I got this from Home Goods, this apple cider and vanilla candle. I really like this. It's a very almost kind of sweet appley scent. It's very subtle though. It's not a sweet pumpkin scent, which I really liked last year, but this year I'm kind of going for the more subtle, just kind of leaves, fall scents, and I really like that one. Over here we have our Keurig. Super simple. I do this every year and every season. For Christmas and for fall, I always put a seasonal cup under here. I just think it looks really cute. And then I just have these little stirring spoons in here from Hobby Lobby. They're so cute. Once again, we don't actually use these. They're just for decoration. Moving over to our coffee bar. This I just kept so simple, you guys. I just replaced the snake plant with this white vase. Some fall picks. I love these. I think it's a beautiful color of orange. And then I just added this like little morning pumpkin sign down there. So yeah, that's our apartment. Like I said, if you guys have any recommendations, things that I should change, things that you don't like that, like I said, you think I should change, let me know, because I will definitely take your advice into consideration. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. I feel like I just need a second to get used to it. And that candle smells so good, you guys. I wish you could smell it. But you guys know what time it is. It's cookie time. For the record, no, I'm not eating all these. I just feel like I needed like a lot to look good for a picture. I am gonna have 1 or 2 though, but definitely not 6. I don't need 6 cookies right now. What movie should we put on? I think I want to do Halloween Town. I've not seen that in years, but I actually really like that movie. Okay, no, Netflix does not have Halloween Town. I'm just gonna try Amazon Prime. I feel like Prime has everything, you just have to pay for it. I should probably check Hulu first, but I feel like it can't be that expensive since it's such an old movie. Why did I not know how old this movie was? 1998. That's crazy. Okay, we're gonna rent it for $3.99. I think it's worth it. Yes, you guys, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Okay, this is almost cute, but I need to go put socks on for a picture because no one wants to see my feet. I'm sorry if that grossed you out. Okay, I need to position myself a little bit better, but I switched out the orange blanket for the white one. Yes, this is how much thought goes into every picture for thumbnails. I have my socks on. I did cute little pumpkin socks. They are adorable. I moved the candle to right here. We have Halloween Town on. Oh, so cozy. I got some good pictures. Hopefully after I edit them, some of them are good. There's a dog toy in the back. Oh my gosh. Do I have the effort to go move that? I don't think I do. I think I'm just gonna use the retouch app and get it out of the picture. See, once again, social media will fool you. One last thing, we're gonna try a cookie and see how it is. Oh my gosh, it's so good. So much sugar, but it's worth it. But I think that wraps up this video. I think we kind of, you know, did a lot of fall activities. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I definitely want to do some more fall content for you guys. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations that you want to see down below. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.